Hello, rock stars. How you all?
Hello, coach. Great,
How you
We
all?
are
awesome.
awesome, awesome
Full with
session.
our empowering codes.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So what? So how was the experience last week? I would like to ask you. So, Mr. Pradeep, you
It was,
tell us.
It was really an amazing
yeah,
experience that we
Uh,
have get rid of end course. Now we are warrior. We have got the weapon of e
yes.
codes, so we can just fight. We can win in the life.
I
We can
I think you're the
overcome
rock
any
star. I
situations.
think you're the rock star. Okay.
Yes, yes, they are rocking, always
You
rocking,
tell,
rockstar.
so you tell us,
Yes.
Miss Alka, how was the experience?
Yes, our experience was superb. It was just awesome.
Okay.
Whenever reading those e codes with different moves, as you said, it was just superb.
Thank you.
Always empowering.
Yeah. So I feeling the difference.
Lot of difference. The difference is like, okay, now I feel so energetic. When I am doing something, I feel it is going to happen. I can do it. I am capable. It is so nice.
Okay. Okay. I hope you're getting the clarity. Okay. So right now we are
Yes,
in week three. We are in the third week, and
yes.
this is the outcome plus activity. So I want
Okay.
Misalka just go to P57 and just read that out. Outcomes, outcome excite, motivate, and inspire us to take actions. And yeah,
Yeah. So
read that out.
outcomes excite, motivate, and inspire us to take action and push our limits. Traditional goal setting doesn't work, but outcomes align with your baselines and coding work like magic.
So there's a difference between the outcomes and the traditional goals that we set. Because you
Yes.
must have seen people who are setting up goals but are not able to achieve it because they are not aligned with the baselines
Baseline.
and the coding. So that's the reason it doesn't work. Okay, you can move to page 58A.
Yes.
So what are outcomes?
Yeah.
Please continue.
Yeah. Yes, you now have understood baselines and integrated power coding and realize without these being clear and aligned, anything you try to achieve will be difficult. Once you have clarity of baselines and integrated power coding, our outcomes become easy to achieve. Have you ever met someone who has less skills than you, is not as smart as you, yet seems to have the magic touch? Everything they touch just works. It's so annoying. But you know why? Their baselines and coding is in alignment with their dreams and actions.
Okay. So are you have you so have you so have you just met someone who's smarter than you, who's smarter than you, who's not smarter than you, I
Yes, in
mean,
my school time.
uh, but uh,
Yeah, I
but
got it.
uh,
In,
but they have more clarity. They are able to achieve something that you are not able to. This a
yes,
reason.
I do.
Yeah. Okay. This because the baselines
I
and
do have
coding are alignment.
matching.
Uh, they are just go hand in hand with the dreams and actions. So that is
Yes.
why they have more clarity, and they are
Yeah.
achieve uh, and they are able to achieve. Okay. So
Yes.
let's move
Hmm.
on. An outcome is a focus point which will change your life. Unlike goals, unlike goals, outcomes shape your character because they are set with your mental state of mind. Okay, so these
Okay.
are the outcomes and they are different from the traditional goals uh, as I had told you earlier, and they are aligned with the baselines and the integrated power coding. So now we are
Hmm.
coming in detail. Don't worry. Uh,
Yeah.
you'll come to know a lot. Okay. So it's about the activity. So there's an activity. You have to
Yeah.
focus on absolutely critical and necessary top three outcomes of your lives that you should
Hmm.
start working toward. Okay. The purpose of this
Okay.
activity is to identify the number of is to identify the number of the outcomes, number of outcomes you have. both short term and long term,
mm,
and then narrow down the ones
mm.
that you need critical attention. I mean, you have to choose a lot of
Okay.
outcomes, both
Yes.
short term and long term, and then you have to
Yeah, yeah, got
narrow
it,
down
coach.
Got it, got it.
some. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. So step by step instruction. So step one. So it's the outcomes brainstorm activity. So you have to write
Yeah,
down 50 outcomes. Okay, 50 outcomes that has to be achieved in the next 5 years. Okay, top 50 outcomes. Okay,
mm,
that's from the wheel of
yeah,
life. That's from the wheel of life, like your health, like your fun and recreation, fun recreation activity, family and friends. Like you have like you have the areas you can choose, and then you have to just write down the 50 outcomes
okay,
that have to be achieved in 1 year, in 3 years, in
5 years.
5 years, or 5 plus
5
years.
years, yes.
more than
okay,
more than 5 years, I mean. Okay, and then step two, you have to write down the number of years that it will take to achieve the outcome. Uh, from
okay,
the first year,
yeah,
from the 1 year list, you have to circle three of the most important outcomes. Okay, the
okay,
step
okay,
three
yeah,
the step three, you have to define the outcomes. There's an online tool that define me outcomes to define your most important outcomes. This tool will help you put your outcomes in order of importance. After you have completed the activity, select the one outcome of the three that you can start that you can start to focus start to focus on.
okay,
Okay, so you have
Okay,
to
right.
write the top 50, and then you have to
yeah,
write
yeah,
down. You got it? Have you jotted down the instruction?
yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 coach, we are ready.
Got it, got it.
Okay, you're ready? Okay, thank you.
Ready.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what are your top three outcomes, Miss Alka?
my top three is to be an incredible coach, to gift my husband money worth rupees 2 lakhs, to reduce weight and get back to shape.
Okay.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Uh, I, and what about you, Mr. Pradeep?
Yes, I will become the best author.
Okay.
This is my first outcome. Yes.
Okay, I just broadcast. I just forgot to explain the thing about broadcasting the tool. Just 1 second.
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
is
Yes, yes.
a tool that has to be broadcast. Okay,
Okay,
you have to go
coach.
through it. There are
Yeah.
some fields that you have to give priority on. Like you have written the top three outcomes, right? And from the tool
Yes.
you shall be given a priority as to in which field you have to focus on. There is
Yeah.
a field called predicted ranking. Predicted priority is the field in which you should need to focus on. The predicted ranking, the thing that you have to rank, like one, two, three, and so on. Like you have to do that. Time up front. Now, what is time up front? Time up front is how long will this take to get this up and running and start receiving the benefits. Remember, speed of implementation. Okay, so it is one the most and five the least. It's written in the online tool.
Yeah.
Okay, time ongoing is how long will this take to grow and maintain. Can this be
Mm,
passively managed in the future? Remember, opportunity cost. Okay,
yeah.
so this is the one being the most, and five being the least.
Okay.
Difficulty level. So how difficult it is to achieve. So one being the most and five being the least. The enjoyment. Okay, it's one being the least and five the most. Impact 90 days. Impact 90 days. How much immediate impact will this have? What
Mm,
short term opportunity does it create? Okay, So it is like, it is like, one being the least and five being the most. And the next is the last one is the impact the impact 25 years. How much impact could this have towards my life's your life's mission?
Okay.
Will the skills and experience gained worthwhile be worthwhile
Yes.
even if you fail?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay,
it's
coach.
like one being the least and five being the most.
Yeah.
Wait, please.
Right.
Yes, done, coach.
Okay, done. So what are your uh, top three, like in terms of the ranking?
No, coach, why want to ask
Resonate.
one thing?
Sure, please.
In this chart, last column is total score. What is it?
Total score is it's like after that. It's like the predicted ranking you have given and everything. This shall be calculated and
No,
what
no, I think
percentage.
what thing? I think that you have to add all the numbers of the
So
column. That will be
Yeah,
the
okay,
that
so
the
correct.
that's a
software will
calculation.
do, no, coach?
That
That the
Software will
software
do.
will
software
do,
will
right,
do.
Software will
Yeah,
coach?
do.
yeah,
Yeah.
that
Okay,
the
okay,
software
okay,
will do. And the thing
okay,
is
okay. Now it is
maximum
clear.
that, that has to be
So
given the top.
we are not, we will not write it.
No, no, you don't have to.
Right.
That's not your concern. Actually, the thing which gets the highest point has to be given
Yes.
has to be given the top point.
Priority.
Priority.
Priority. Okay,
Fine,
Got
is
it,
right.
coach. Yes.
you getting me?
Got it. Got it.
Okay,
So,
all clear?
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
my main outcome through the online activity is to gift my husband money worth rupees 2 lakhs.
that's great.
Yeah. Yeah. And my second is to become an incredible coach. And third is to reduce my weight.
Fine, fine. So does it resonate with your
No, no,
ability?
it didn't resonate because I kept to become an incredible coach as my first, and
Okay.
second to gift my husband worth rupees 2 lakh. But
Uh,
it shows me that to gift my husband should be number one, and number two is incredible coach.
fine, fine, fine. Okay. Okay. So you'll be getting some more clarity. But the
Yeah.
first one is
Okay.
like you have to do it like you have to gift your husband. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Go to the software.
First one is
Okay,
yeah.
you'll be getting
Right.
more clarity because we are
Clarity.
in some
Okay.
process right now. Okay, so I
Yes,
want to go for
coach.
Mr. Pradeep. So Mr. Pradeep, can you please tell me about about the result the software has given and what you have written?
Software has given this first one is being a writing a coach. No, sorry, become a author. And my priority is also I will become a best author. First
So does it
priority.
resonate? Okay,
Yes, it tallies with the software. Yes.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
Second one is to become a successful coach, and third one is to become a topmost businessman. So
That's
these
something
are
really amazing. That's something really amazing. Okay,
right,
so
right.
you have such high, high dreams, high outcomes. Okay,
Yes.
so so this was the thing like this week, and we shall be beginning some more uh, uh, in the next class, of course. Till then,
Yeah.
Yes.
we'll do our
Bye bye.
ritual, and then
Yes.
Yes.
say bye bye as usual.
Yes. Yes.
I'm
Yes.
counting three. Okay,
Yes.
one, two, three. Woo!
Rock
Ah,
Woo!
stars.
Rock stars.
Yeah.
come on, Mr. Pradeep, you're not active. Do it once again.
No, no, you missed my actions.
One,
Just watch me.
two,
Seriously.
three. Woo! Rockstar.
Rock
Woo! Rock
stars.
stars.
Oh, that's right.
Now,
Superb.
is it
Bye
okay?
bye.
Okay, bye bye. Bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye. Bye bye. Take care.